Hello, dears. I hope you're well today. I'm quite excited because we're going to do something a little different today. You see, the stay-at-home restrictions we've been subject to for months are easing a bit. And some of our wonderful outdoor spaces like parks and beaches are opening to us again. So we can go out and enjoy being in nature, as long as we aren't enjoying being close to each other. Well, I have read people are flocking now to campgrounds. People with recreational vehicles are recreating, and people who've never camped before are camping. And one of the pleasures of camping is making a meal over a campfire. At least that's what I've been told. I've never actually done it myself. But I've read about it. So I thought today we would have a demonstration of how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. You see, it's not just hot dogs and hamburgers. We'll make a grilled cheese sandwich over a campfire using this camping contraption. It's called a pie iron. You open it up and put your food in and put it by the fire, and next thing you know, lunch is ready. So come with me outside as we try to demonstrate this by our campfire on the patio. Oh, before we go, I will have to put on something a little more campground appropriate. See you in a bit. There we are, dears. Look at this lovely fire. It's settling down nicely, which is what we need. Although it does have a lot of smoke. It's so unpleasant. Well, here we have a cheese sandwich, all ready to go, nicely buttered on both sides. So, oh, look at this. Look at that cute camper girl. Isn't she darling? Really sweet. Okay, now, here's what we do. We take this and we're going to put some oil on it. Oh! It comes apart. Well, here we need to spray a little oil on it. Watch out for the wind. And then put the sandwich in there, and then we keep this. Well, you get the idea. You put it in there, you put this back together, you put it by the fire, a few minutes each side, and you're done. Huh? Doesn't that sound like fun? Oh, always so nice, out in the open air. Well, that's it for today, dears. I do hope you found this informative. And let's see, remember, be safe, be kind, and be happy. Cheers. Oh, can we go in now? It's getting a bit chilly.
You're standing next to a fire.
Oh, were we supposed to read comments from viewers?
There weren't any.
Oh, well, that may be a good thing.